lick, smell. Smell. So, paano
Hi guys, good morning. It's not good morning, it's good afternoon. It's 3:44. Happy New Year. It's January 1, 2026. Can you believe it? It's 2026. Mag-birthday na ako. Malapit na magiging 26 years old na ako. Oh my gosh! This is the second day technically kasi January 31 tayo nag-start. And then January 1, continuation. So in our tradition, sa family namin, after 12 o'clock, midnight, diba, may mga activities kami. And then, kinabukasan may activities pa kami, which is continuation. 2 days. So, nandito na sila. Nag-lunch na kami and all. Nagising ako 12 o'clock. Natapos kami maglinis ng 4 a.m. kasi nga kami ngayong host. 4 a.m. and then nagising ako 12 o'clock. And then, pagkakain ko, nandito na sila. Nandito na sila, guys. They're here. Hi, tita. Ay, shoot. Ito, Happy New Year. Ayan, family ni Kuya Daryl sila. And then, these are fam. Hi, tita. Wait lang. Tita, mag-hi ka daw po sa.
Hi! Happy New Year! Rabi, uy! Ano, ginauwi ko.
Ravi! Ravi!
Teka muna, pera to, pera. Ano to? Tagal kasi nila dito eh. Parang 500. Alam, ay, bills yata. Bills nga to. Ay, papaado daw, ano, coins. Marianda. Ba kayo?
Wait lang. Siyempre, di ako kasama. Alam. Wait lang! Ano ba? Wait lang! Okay, papaagaw si mama from there. Wait nga lang eh! Okay, game! Ay! Ano?
Kailan ka?
200. Nakailan ka?
100 pesos.
Kasi yung ganun daw, hindi daw binigyan. Okay, bibigyan kita.
How much?
150.
Yeah.
250.
Wow, grabe!
100 na.
What?
On the verge of maniniko na ako, guys. Gagano na ako.
Ayan. Oh, sa kiwanan na yan.
Wala, di ko. Biabot na eh.
Pero nakuha niyo, di ba pwede mawala?
Oo, may ako naka.
Ayan.
Let's check them. They're eating.
Ayun, dati niya.
Coconut doon? Ito sa dila?
14. Walang 14.
Times 2.
Ubusan ng lahi.
3, 2, 1, orange, red, purple, blue, yellow, orange, blue, don't purple. Don't orange, don't yellow, blue, red, purple, don't purple.
Nice!
3, blue, red, don't blue. Blue, red, purple, orange, yellow, orange, blue, purple, red, blue.
Para si Tita Ria lang yata may premyo. Para si Tita kalabanin din yung mga kakampi. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2,
3.
4, 5, 6. Go! 1, 2, 3.
Yung unang tatlo, wala nang lalaki.
Go! 1, 2.
hindi bounce?
Ganun ka, te. Parang hindi ka nagpapamintos.
Go!
Oh, hindi amin bola yan. Oh, man, nakarangan ko yung puro nila.
Go! Ano ba?
Oh my God. Oh, DJ.
So it's scratch it.
Saan kayo?
Scratch it.
Gwen.
Naman, 50 peso. Ano? I'm 50. 50! Ulit tayo ng 5,000. Pero hindi 5,000. It's like 500 per win hanggang sa maubos ng 5,000. So let's see if we're gonna win.
Sabunin ko kanina yan.
Iba, panalo na sa akin.
Internation muna eh.
Bawi na! Bawi na!
Bakit ako muna? Next bawin na. Pepen.
Okay, bawi na. Kumita na ako ng 50. Okay na yun.
Di pa kayo ko nagbayad yun.
Oh, bye-bye.
500!
Could you do that? You can skip. Pili ka ng possible na lang makuha. Sige.
What's that?
Ay. Yes!
1 point.
3 points.
Ryan, we can't hear you. Okay.
Minute.
Next word.
3 points.
For the 3 points,
Unless you wanna pass it. You can, are you okay with 1 point?
You can go in 1 point or...
You can go next. Clock.
Market! Stock market.
Clock, ate.
Coffee hour. Yes!
yes! That's right!
Nice one.
Kasi yun yung kanina.
Una, happy yung ano.
Listen.
Okay, you can do it.
Ano 3 points?
4 points.
Okay, okay, pass. Skip. Ito.
Head.
Brain.
You can cup, not cup.
Hair.
Headband.
Where?
Style. Where?
Ah, alam ko na.
Headband.
More.
Helmet. Helmet.
No,
Head.
not cup.
Headdress. Ha? Ilang
Rhymes with cat. Rhymes with cat.
Tapos na. Okay. Ang kapangas kayo ng...
Poetry.
Set, go. Not last.
First.
Girl.
Sabihin mo yes first.
Yes, first.
Second.
Girl.
Next word.
First, girl. Firstborn? First, girl.
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 Here.
Eldest.
First daughter.
Not
First
boy.
daughter. Meron ako. Not boy.
Girl.
Ayun nga eh. First girl, di ba?
Girls.
First girl. First daughter? Yes.
Yes!
Alam ko, hindi ka tulong.
Okay, next.
Next. Gun. Bang. Vanish.
Bang nga eh. Gun. Bang.
Gun. Gun.
Sound.
Okay.
Sound.
Gun.
Gun, bang, sound. Time. Act. Ganon. Hindi nyo na ba kaya? Skip ko na lang. Hirap.
Ready?
Wala siya na din doon.
Cold.
Hot.
Food. Store.
Cold food.
Cold.
Hot pot daw.
Food. Ice cream. Store. Appliance.
Oh, first syllable lang. Syllable lang.
Tatlo lang.
Refrigerator. Water. Ground.
Syllables yun.
Ayun naman nato laro to.
What ball do? What?
Bounce. Dapat ikaw kasali. Kaya ko ba ano? What word? What word? What's it?
Bounce first.
Two.
Go. Ay, bawal pa. Go.
Bounce. Go.
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 Bounce.
Go lang daw eh.
Go.
Go tapos go.
Bounce. Bounce. Next daw. A. 1 point.
Dogmat.
Bark.
Dogmat.
Bite.
Matuga madami sila aso eh.
Bite, Mark.
Tapos kayo hindi kayo kumakain ng vegetable, no?
8 legs. First turn.
Ang vegetable garden nyo na pumunta.
Small.
Puro pork steak.
Spider.
Spider-Man.
Kaya.
Ang kanila to.
Spider-Man.
Intermission lang pala to, guys. Dog eat chicken.
Doggy.
Dog eat. Dog
Beef.
Eat, dog eat dogs. Dog eat meat.
Dog.
Meat.
Dog food. Next.
4 points. 4 points.
Bone.
Bone. Ready, set, go.
Isa-isa.
Palit lahat, palit. Walang magsasabi ha kung ano yung original colors. Yeah! Yeah! Okay, next. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Pagkainom na pagkainom, start. And go!
Dad, isahan lang. Isa-isahan lang.
Yung lahat.
Tama, ang galing.
Kaya nga, dapat panalo na ako eh.
Pwede mo kamay lang? Pwede. Kamay sa isa? Pwede.
Para.
Ay, paano yan? Kamay lang.
Nabato mo naman yung
Pwede pala yan.
Puntik ka na.
Oh no, ano yun?
1 second.
Kami panalo.
Give chance to other.
Smell. Smell. Lick. Lick. Smell. Lick. Lick. Smell.
Tituloy ka eh.
Lick.
Ang bilis!
Lick. Lick.
May practice pa lang naman yun.
Practice pa lang yun.
Pagkana!
Lick. Smell. Lick. Smell. Smell. Lick. Lick. Switch.
Talaga pagpapalit eh.
Well,
Smell. Smell.
may isa kang hindi ginawa. May isa kang hindi
May
ginawa.
sa CCTV, oh. Ganun talo yun.
Hindi pa. Yaman na baka mag-away kayo.
Smell. Lick. Lick. Smell. Lick. Switch.
Oh, shoot!
Smell.
Wait lang! Switch na eh!
Sorry. Lick. Lick. Smell. Lick. Smell. Lick. Smell. Lick. Lick. Switch. Lick. Lick. Smell. Hindi na naman yun.
Pag nagkamali.
A few moments later.
Ano na?
Tama na. Mas makabuhat.
One hour later.
Hi guys, it's 11:42 and nakapagligpit na kami sa baba kaya patay na yung mga ilaw. Namalis na rin ang lahat ng bisita. Good night. Happy New Year. Happy New Year guys. Tired.